Previously on. Morning, guys. It is what day is it today? It's the 21st of August. And I just came to Michael's to grab something. I'm gonna go home and record a DIY. I needed to get something for it. So yeah, but I just bought a. You're done? Thank you. I just bought a smoothie from Booster Juice. I wanted to get my initial reaction on here. This is not sponsored, although you can. I just spent $6 and something cents on this. But this one is called berry banana something banana. I looked at the name before I left, but it's something banana. There's bananas, mango, passion fruit, guava, yogurt, and something else. I just don't remember what. Anyway, so pretty good actually. No, people, this tastes good, man. If I make sure next time when we go a yard, I fly out from Terminal 1, but I have a booster rooster. So we can buy 3 send dog. Hey, how I'm off. I wanted to do them yesterday, but I was supposed to go out. Didn't end up going out, but other people went out. And all these things, so yeah. So yeah, that's up for now.
I like the bird and the bees them. New them cheap and me need them. Have you ever seen them? The new Louis V them. Man, I spend the money like it growing on the trees them. Oh, money at the pre them. I just want chase the dreams and we get rich like Greg Million, squeeze them. Got a car that I own a job on the weekend.
Oh my gosh, you guys, today I went back to school shopping. I'm not going back to school, but I had to go back to school shopping for school supplies and stuff for something that I'm gonna do. I'll talk about it. It's too early for me to really talk about it because things can happen where it doesn't actually work out to where I want it to work out. So I don't really want to talk about it too much, but I'm really excited and hoping all goes well as planned. Even if I end up broke, it will hopefully be worth it. So yeah, boy. Anyways, people, later here, I don't want to bore no. Nothing not going right now. I just go drive, go back on my yard, and thing. Isn't it? Boy. So yeah, little more. Hey guys, I'm recording at. Are they really getting them for free? I'm recording at work.
Are they really getting them for free if they put in that code?
I don't know. I'm just lying. This is just a practice thing. This is not real. Okay. just to see how it looks back. So yeah, it comes with 10. What is it? 10 meters? Like, how do I say this?
Hold on.
It comes with 10 different colors of filaments. And it comes with 2 more of these things free. So the same 2 packages. This package you get
read
2
the
more.
box, fam.
Bruh. Like, what the fuck? Like, this is her product and she can't even tell me what the hell.
Did I make it? No. You asked the guy in China that made it.
First of all, this is written in not English. Okay, sorry. The package contains. The package contains. I did, but they still need to understand what it is. What if you don't know what the 3D magic wand is? We know what it is because we're dealing with it every day.
Okay, you do.
The package contains the magic wand, 10 times 2 meter filaments.
And an extra 10.
And it also comes with a selection of stencils, a charger, and obviously the user manual for those people who are not very familiar with what the 3D Magic Wand is. There is a user-friendly manual that comes included that will explain everything to you. But I'm going to demonstrate exactly how to use this on one of the stencils that comes with the box, just so you guys kind of get like a basic understanding as to what it is. I know you guys are probably at home, like if you guys are not familiar, are probably like, what the hell is a 3D Magic Wand? So stay tuned and I'm going to show you guys, okay? Okay. All right, so I want to see that little dot. Wait there. Right, so that girl, that's my 3rd subscriber that I met since my youth. That one of you guys was going to find out where I live. And her grandma lives near me. Keisha, big up yourself. Thank you so much for saying hi to me. I wanted to catch her on the vlog, but she was like, she looks smashed up right now. So I didn't catch her, but yo, I thought I was gonna run her over with my car because I was parking and she came up to me and I thought like I nearly ran into her. So I was like, whoa. Somebody had said ZO-ESHAAA and I'm just like, whoa, like nobody really calls me that unless you know me on YouTube or you were there when I got the name. So then she's like, she came to the side of the car when I was rolling up the window because I was scared, right? Because she looked kind of mad in the beginning. I was scared. She was like, yo, ZO-ESHAAA lives near my grandma's house. She's like, yo, and she's like, you look smaller in person. I was like, yes. With meeting you guys, this is so exciting. I never thought I would have met 1, much less 3 in a year. Wow. Bye to Corey. Say, everyone, look at my glasses. Look at my glasses. Yes. Yes. Snapchat family.
All Zoe's fans come and follow me, Tom. Follow my snap.
Me. To me.
Are you singing to Leah?
Me. Say me. Happy birthday.
It's your birthday.
Happy birthday to me. Tell Leah, sing.
She's like, no.
She's still in
She's sleeping.
But she's singing so nice though.
Everybody ready?
Happy birthday to you.
Oops, sorry.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Trevor and Leah.
Happy birthday to you.
How old are you now?
How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now?
Are you 1? Are you 2?
Are you 3?
Oh, are you 4?
Blow the fan. Blow.
Leah.
You're too far.
Wait, sing. Okay, 1, 2.
Okay, for Leah too.
Are you
Are you
1?
1? Are you 2?
Woo!
Blow, Leah.
Trevor, help. Blow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Blow. Leah.
It's like a trick.
Get one. Make a wish.
Yay!
Blow.
Woo! good? She's like, I'm over this, mom.
Not in that cake. Trevor, don't put it back in that cake.
He's sucking the dinosaur.
Okay, Trevor, you're not supposed to do that in public.
Yo, I'm over William. Like, I'm over you.
He's your child. He's your child. Exactly.
From the side?
They're not pictures of this. When you're like 20, they're gonna put that on Facebook. You're like, remember this picture?
20. He's getting it on Facebook right now.
It's gonna be on YouTube too. Sure.
Trevor, you can't go front dinosaurs. Okay.